Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a really fun video for you and a special discount. Also, happy Labor Day. We are not here at the store. We're taking the day off, just like most people on Labor Day. And so I've got a really fun video for you, so definitely stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm going to give you some fun facts about Labor Day that you probably didn't know. I mean, a lot of you know Labor Day is the day that nobody is here working, and currently that is the truth for Hooked on Pickin. But we definitely want to give you guys a bonus for not being able to shop on a fire sale, and so there is going to be 30% off the entire store. No need to even type in a promo code. It's automatic, starting basically at midnight and going throughout the day. And so I'm here at the store recording this, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about Labor Day and some fun things that I read up, kind of sharing the history. So Labor Day is typically observed in the United States and Canada, and it's celebrated on the first Monday of September, and is actually a federal holiday. And so that's usually a really fun thing. And Labor Day is supposed to be a day where there is nobody working. All right, so that's kind of the plan. Nobody working on Labor Day. The meaning of Labor Day, the holiday honors workers and their contributions to society and national prosperity. It's a celebration of the hard-won achievements of America's labor movement. And that's a quote from USA Today. In the late 1800s, the average American worked 12-hour days, 7 days a week, in order to eke out just a basic living. And so children as young as 5 or 6 actually worked in mills, factories, and mines across the country. And as manufacturing increasingly supplanted agriculture, labor unions grew more prominent and vocal. They began organizing strikes and rallies to protest the poor conditions and compel employers to negotiate better hours and better pay. Not all holidays are officially recognized as a federal holiday, but Labor Day happens to be one of the federal holidays. Basically, Labor Day started beginning in 1887. Individual states granted legal status to Labor Day. In 1894, the Pullman strike in Illinois and other events prompted the U.S. President Grover Cleveland to propose a bill to make Labor Day a national public holiday. It was soon signed into law, which I think is kind of fun because we live in the state of Illinois, and I didn't know that Labor Day kind of had its start here. And so that's really fun. It's actually usually Peoria, Illinois, which is actually very close to Camp Manitoumi, where we always take our kids to camp. They usually have a Labor Day parade every year in kind of in honor of this. And so Labor Day is known as prime time for lots of sales. And so on Hooked on Pickin, we're going to offer you a 30% off Labor Day sale. And so definitely go to the website, check it out. We actually have some of our employees working evening shifts on Tuesday. And so our goal is to get all of your packages from the weekends always shipped by Tuesday evening. And so that's been a new addition, so we're really excited about that. We've hired some new teenagers since our college students have left, and so we have added evening hours to hookedonpickin.com. The retail store is not open, but we're doing all of the online shipping, all of the box organizing, stuff like that. We have a whole list of things that our employees can do in the evening, and we have really reliable employees, so we're really excited about that. So, that's kind of been the shift for Hooked on Pickin and some of the things that have been going on here. We are still doing the flea market, so we're really excited about that. We're going to give you an update probably sometime in the next couple weeks, because we'll get our next payment for the second month. So we have done all of August, so this is kind of like the tail end of that, and then we have done all of July. And so we're going to give you some updates on how well the flea market is doing. I can tell you right now that the first month we did not lose any money. We actually made money, and so we're excited about that. And then so we'll give you kind of what items sold, how quickly they sold, things like that, and how many sales we had each month, just to kind of give you an idea. And we'll break down all the numbers and how much we pay for rent and how much percentage the flea market takes and all that stuff. So if you're ever interested in doing your own flea market booth, you can kind of have a base knowledge based on what we're kind of doing. And I'm sure every flea market is a little bit different, but this is how the one around here works for us. And then so we've got things going like that. Just a reminder, we have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of candy, and we've been feverishly making candy mystery boxes. But you're going to get Ferrero Rocher, you're going to get Russell Stover's, you're going to get some Snickers, Kit Kats, let me think, what are some of the other really good ones? Godiva, Lindor, Lindt, peppermint bark, cookie bark, I think Tate's cookie bark, which is a really fun one. We've even got some gingerbread houses, things like that. But we always slam pack all of the boxes full of way more than what you pay for it. And so we always like to give you a bargain because it's Hooked on Pickin' and we love bargains. And so we're definitely going to be giving you this bargain. And so if typically an item typically costs you about $5 in Walmart, we're actually counting it as a $2 or $2.50 item when we put it in the box. So if you buy a $100 box, you're probably getting more like $175 to $200 worth of candy, and a lot of it's chocolate, which is awesome. So I'm really glad that it's starting to get cool out, so shipping should not be an issue at all. Plus our facility is air conditioned, and so the only time is in transit to the next facility and that it is any kind of heat, but it's kind of cooled off now, and so we're good to go. So just a reminder again, 30% off all of hookedonpickin.com, even the big mystery candy boxes. Just a reminder, if you buy the $100 candy box and you're looking to get free shipping, once you get that discount, it won't be $100 anymore. And so you definitely have to make sure that you buy some more things on Hooked on Pickin' to get up to that 100 mark so that you get the free shipping. Thanks so much for joining us. There will not be anything shipped out on today, which is Labor Day, because federal holiday, even the post office has it off. And so we'll definitely see you guys on Tuesday for a fun unboxing. And then Wednesday, we're having a mega fire sale. So we're going to have tons of the candy, but then a whole bunch of other fun stuff because we've got some palettes that just came in. We got some jewelry that just came in. We're really excited about all the fun things that we have going on. And so I hope you have a very happy Labor Day and you got some relaxed time just like we did. And we'll see you starting afresh with an unboxing on Tuesday. Thanks so much. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.